In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to make purchase or to buy on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent and importer and importation coach. If you want to contact me for business consultation, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into tutorial and see one of the easiest way by which you can make a purchase from different supplier on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your profile. So you click on here to access your profile. Then when you get to your profile, the next step you have to take is to click on here. Then open up this page. So at this point here, these are the products I want to purchase from different supplier. You can see them right here. Now, for you to select each of these products, what you need to do is to click on here, and click on here. Then each time you are clicking on each of the items, you are going to see the price is going to be updated down below right here. So I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. So I'm buying from about different 10 supplier. So I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. I'm buying 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 this. This is the last one I'm purchasing from this Pinduoduo app. So I'm buying from about 10. I'm buying from about 12 different suppliers. So you can see them right here. 12 different suppliers. So now for me to make payment, what I need to do is to click on here to make payment. Then it takes you to product preview. You can scroll down and see more information about the product. You can see this product here are from different supplier with different color, different size, etc. Now for you to make payment, you have to make sure that your Alipay is active and it has been selected. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to make the payment. So I'm paying the sum of 278.95 RMB to make purchase of all these products right here. So I'm going to click on here now to make payment. So your Alipay is going to connect. So you can see amount I'm paying right here. So you have to click on here now to confirm the payment. Confirm. Then at this point here, I need to authorize the payment with my payment password. So I'm going to click on password right here. Then at this point here, I need to enter my payment password to complete the purchase. Once you enter your payment password, Alipay is going to connect and they are going to deduct 278.95 from my Alipay, and the product is going to be purchased successful on Pinduoduo. So you can see now that the payment has been done successfully. 278.95 RMB has been removed from my Alipay. So I'm going to click on done right here. Then, so once you click on done, it takes you back. Then by the time I refresh on my profile, you'll see that the new product we just make purchased has been added into ready to be shipped. And then you can see the notification from the top right here that we just make some purchase and the product new purchase has been added right here. So if I click on here, you're going to see all the new purchases that has been made successful on Pinduoduo. So this is how you can purchase from different supplier on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.